Let's take a look at the before and after. When we moved into this house, the guest room quickly became a storage unit. You probably know that feeling, right? We needed to do something about this because my friend was coming over and I couldn't offer him this. This was really nasty. Carpet was falling apart. The smell wasn't that good. So I started by rolling up the carpet, and then we needed to remove all of the baseboards. And of course, these were fastened by using screws. So it took a while, and in my mind, this renovation, taking all apart, was much faster in my head than in reality. So, contrary to my endless, time optimistic way of thinking, I didn't manage to do anything before my friend arrived. So, I set him to work on his guest room. Huh? I'm a little bit smart after all. But he was a great support, and having him around made it way easier to place all of the boards. My friend hadn't placed any of this laminate flooring before. I've only laid one floor in the other room, so I wasn't exactly an expert either. But we managed, and thinking of all of the beers that we had while laying this floor, I think we did a pretty good job. One thing I truly learned here was doing this kind of project is way much more fun when you are two together than doing it by yourself. But because of all of the beers and all of the fun that we had, we didn't quite manage to finish the room before my friend was on his way again. So here I am, alone in the room, and now I need to cut the baseboards. But as you can see, we are practically done. Or at least I would say that this is at a point where we can invite my friend again, and he will have a somewhat of a nice place to live. However, I don't see this as done. I only see it as we have a blank canvas where we can do some awesome projects.